Guys, today I got some prize mail. Okay, I have not talked to you guys in a minute, and I am so excited to come on here so that I can talk to you guys. I got some prize mail from the Leo Ray Show, and She Is Supreme. She Is Supreme sent me this package, and I got the prize mail from the Leo Ray Show. She is having a baby boy. Well, she had a baby boy. Congratulations to the Leo Ray Show and her husband and family on the baby boy. I know he is so adorable. Oh my goodness. And I attended the virtual baby shower, guys. And I just wanted to, support her, and She Is Supreme. I was not expecting to win, guys. I was not expecting to win. I'm like, gosh, I'm always winning something. And it's not done, purposely. I guess it's done purposely. I don't know, but I was shocked, but I'm thankful. Thank you guys so much. Go follow them. She Is Supreme. The name is going to be right here. And also the Leo Ray Show. Both are some beautiful sisters. Go follow them, and they have great channels, guys. Okay, so let's get to this package. We're going to go ahead and open this. I wanted to share with you guys what I got. We will be back. I got the box open, and I have my card here from She Is Supreme, and we will see what's inside. This time, I was like, I better check that card first. I gotta check that card first, because sometimes I just dive in and don't even check the card, guys. I'll check the card like in the middle of checking the box, which it should be the card first. So, oh my goodness. Hey sis, congrats on another win. So the gift card is from the win from the baby shower. Okay, so that's what I won from the baby shower, guys. Okay, so I got a gift card right here. Look, guys, gift card right here. Okay, and everything else is just some love mail for you. I wanted to send extras. The cologne is for your son and hubby. Remember, I told you we got a lot of samples, and she's spreading the love. Thank you, sis. Oh my gosh, guys. Let me tell you, She Is Supreme. You win something, or she's sending you something, she goes all out with her boxes, and it's so cute the way she packaged everything, and I just love it. I love it. Thank you, sis, so much. Thank you. I cannot wait to dig in. Okay, so let's check what's in the package, guys, and she packaged it so well. I love the way she packages it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I love the tissue and stuff. Like, the way she packages everything is just amazing. I love the way she has everything. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I love that. That is very pretty. Okay, so look at this, guys. Look, it's so cute. I love it. And you know what? These are some neutral colors. I can't wait to put this on. These are some neutral colors, so we go with anything. Look how cute. I love it. Very beautiful. Thank you, sis. I love this. Okay, so we got this very pretty cup, guys. This mug. Well, not mug. This very pretty cup. Live, learn, and grow. Look at this, guys. I love it. Oh my gosh. I like this. Perfect. And we got this shower gel. Let's see the light. Shower gel is called Paco Rabanne. I'm not too sure. Rabanne, but it's 1 million. I never heard of this before. I wonder how this smells. I like like it. Cute hats. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I want to smell that shower gel too. This is a very cute hat, period. And I've been wearing hats a lot lately, guys, so this came in handy. I really, really, really love this. I love it, love it, love it. I love it. Oh, wow. Look, rose and hibiscus fragrance, rose soap petals. Y'all know, look at this. Beautiful. Sorry for my ring light, guys. Very beautiful. I'm so grateful. This is always coming through. Oh my gosh. And this soothes skin, helps retain moisture, promotes healthy glow. Wow. Warms and soothes. Oh, I'm trying this. Okay, so guys, I also got this in the box as well. And I'm not sure if, sis, if this is what you're talking about that you giving to my hubby and son, thank you so much. I didn't see no other sample, so I'm guessing this is it. So if this is it, thank you so much. If this is not it, please excuse me, because I didn't know which one was it. So we got the shower gel too, so I'm not sure. I think the shower gel is for me. I'm gonna look into that. We'll see, guys. And this is amazing. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. And I got to smell this. Whether it's for them or it's for me, I love it. I love it. I know they will love it too if it is for them. And thank you, sis, for thinking about my husband and my son. They are thankful because they told me to tell you thank you, which I think I did tell you that. But I'm telling you thank you again because you thought of them again and you really didn't have to. Thank you so much. Guys, I also got these two necklaces. Oops. One is like a wishbone, guys. Like, you see that right here? A wishbone. It's cute. And it says make a wish and put on your necklace. Don't be afraid to be bold. I wear this necklace as a reminder to wish without limits. Make it count. Yes, indeed. Okay, and we have another one. I believe, let me see if I think this is a little elephant. Oh my gosh, y'all, look how cute. I don't know if y'all can see that with my light on, but that's cute. It says good luck, make a wish and put on your necklace. Elephants are one of the oldest symbols of good luck. Wear your necklace as a reminder that whenever you need a little extra luck, just point your trunk up towards the sky and believe. Yes, I love it. Thank you, sis. You are so thoughtful. You are so thoughtful. I also got this planner, guys. It says Stay Golden, the Golden Girls planner. Oh my god. Y'all, I love watching the Golden Girls. You know who was my favorite? Which one was y'all favorite character? You know who was my favorite character? My favorite character was, I think her name was Blanche. That one, her. Because she was the wild one, baby. She was the wild one. That's me. That's me. I loved watching that show. I miss that show too. And that is it, guys. I wanted to make sure before I say that is it that's in this box. That's it, guys. Thank you. She is Sapri. I enjoyed all of these beautiful blessings, gifts you gave me. Thank you, Leah Ray Show, for actually y'all for inviting me to this virtual baby shower, because I wouldn't have gotten the gift card and everything if it wasn't for, you know, the virtual baby shower, if it wasn't for you guys. So again, please subscribe to She is Sapri and the Leo Ray Show. Thank y'all so much. And I wanted to also tell you guys, Lately I have been missing in action. Oh my gosh, guys, I haven't been able to watch too many videos lately, y'all. I've been dealing with my tooth. Like, I just got my tooth pulled. That's why y'all hear me talking funny. If y'all do hear me talking funny, it's because I had pulled my tooth, guys. And oh, I keep touching that mic. If y'all hear them, like, I'm touching that mic, that's what it is. Okay, but if y'all see me talking funny in my videos, or if y'all hear me talking funny in my videos, that is why. Because it was so painful, guys. So painful. I did not think it was gonna be like this. Pulling a tooth. I don't wish that on nobody. You know, and you can't really eat your foods like you want. You have to eat soft foods, and it's not even really, I don't know which one was worse, the pain or not being able to eat the foods you want to eat. Because I love food and I love to be pain free. I do not like to be in no pain. So I think they both go neck to neck. You know, I don't like it at all. So I pray that I don't have to get another tooth pulled for a hot minute. Y'all, this is my very first tooth being pulled. Like, I couldn't believe it. And I had the choice to, you know, get a root canal, but I decided not to, because I felt like later on down the line, eventually, you know, it's going to end up having to be pulled. And I've heard stories from people that have root canals, and you can also get things when you have root canals. So I don't know if y'all know that. So I was like, you know what, just pull it. You know, I don't want to deal with that. So the doctor even suggested, he was like, you got some good teeth. I don't think you should pull that tooth. I'm like, I don't want to deal with no issues later on down the line. So why not we just pull it right now? So that's exactly what I did, guys. Y'all like this unit? I will be doing a review, it's like a little quick review on my TikTok. Y'all go follow me on TikTok, Mink Reacts. And it's like a little short little review, but I'm gonna be doing another review on this channel for my wigs, guys. Right now I've been doing food because I haven't been doing food for a minute, so I was like, let me just, you know, just keep doing food over and over, because I know y'all like food, but I also know y'all like other things on my channel as well. So I will be doing more things, guys. I like this bracelet. It is so cute. I'm feeling myself with this unit. Let me tell y'all what the name of this unit is. Let me get, okay. The name of this unit is Soft Swiss Lace Brown Sugar. It is called the BS206. This is the name of it, guys, right here. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. It's cute. I really thought it was gonna be longer than this, but it wasn't. It's a little shorter than I thought it was gonna be, but that's okay. I'm loving this color though, and I don't know if y'all can see this, but I can. There's a mixture of two colors in here. A mixture, well, actually there's 3 different colors, but I see, yeah, it is 3 different colors, because it got the black right here, and then right here it looks like a ginger color. I'm guessing this is $3.50, and then you got 30 somewhere in there as well, and 4. So it's like, no, I actually think this is the 4. Yeah, this is the 4, guys. I believe. Hold on. Y'all see that though? There's a mixture of colors there. It's cute. It's really, really, really cute. How are y'all guys doing? I see y'all doing y'all things on y'all videos. I try to get to y'all videos as much as I can. You know how Mink is. Lately, I just been busy, guys. And with this tooth, that really been keeping me, like, whenever I get the chance to watch a video, I will watch it. Now, y'all can catch me on my TikToks, because that don't take too long to make. With my TikToks, it take like less than 5 minutes just to, you know, do a video and to edit, and there you go, post it, and that's it. But whereas YouTube, it takes a long time, guys, for me to edit and to you know, especially watch videos and stuff like that, it takes a while, guys. So I have to make time to do all that. So if y'all seeing some days I'm not, you know, watching videos, or some days I am watching videos, that's because the days that I am watching videos, I made time to watch those videos, guys. So y'all don't think Mink is not paying attention. Mink see y'all. I see y'all. So y'all doing y'all thing. I love you guys. I thank y'all so much for supporting me. Y'all always supporting me. Thank y'all so much. And to my old subscribers that's always here for me, thank y'all so much, boo. And to my new subscribers, thank y'all so much. All my minkies all together, I love y'all so much. I know y'all was like, where is Mink? Like, we just seeing food and we hearing our voice, but where is Mink? Okay, but I'm here. I'm here, guys. Y'all love my lashes. I got that I think it was called the Poop Lunch, though, that weird name, Poop Lunch lashes. But this is so cute, guys. I love these lashes. Look at this. I'm looking this way. The camera's actually this way, but it's cute though, guys. Look at that. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Let me get like a thumbnail. Okay. Well, guys, that's the end of this video. I will be creating more content for you guys. If y'all start seeing different content other than food, that means Mink is gonna switch it up on y'all, you know, just a little bit. But for right now, we're gonna head out. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to share this video. Like. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to go share for others to see, guys. I want to see y'all sharing my videos. Thank you so much. And thank y'all for sharing, because I know y'all be sharing my videos. I know y'all be sharing them. Also, guys, don't forget to comment down below. And y'all, I'm just feeling my hair. Thank y'all so much, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, my minkies.